Welcome to Masisizane Service Centre, a symbol of hope and support in Inanda, Kwa-Zulu, Natal since 1995. We care for children, youth, the elderly, and those affected by HIV/AIDS, providing essential services to uplift and sustain our community. At Masisizane, our mission is to provide holistic support to those in need. From HIV/AIDS programs and psychosocial support to youth empowerment and care for the elders of our community, we are striving to make a meaningful impact. In our community, HIV/AIDS has devastated many families. We've seen an increase in orphans and child-headed homes, with grandparents stepping in to care for their grandchildren. Our HIV program includes home visits, disclosure support, and support groups. By providing food parcels, school uniforms, and counseling, these simple acts of care create a foundation for a brighter future for vulnerable families and children. Our youth programs empower young people with skills development, career guidance, and awareness on social issues that build a capable and confident generation. Our older persons programs enrich lives and promote well-being, from support groups to gardening, sewing, candle making, beadwork, and physical activities. We offer vital daily opportunities that help our elders to lead fulfilling and dignified lives. Nutrition is a cornerstone of our support, with daily meals and food parcels ensuring that no one in our care goes hungry. Our partnership with Zoe-Life through the Kids Alive at Home project has transformed how we engage with children and families. The training and support we receive has equipped us to provide comprehensive care and build stronger connections within our community. We've seen significant improvements in the understanding and management of HIV among children and their caregivers. We place a special emphasis on supporting and empowering grandparents who play a crucial role in the upbringing of their grandchildren. Our passion is to ensure that no one faces this journey alone. We are dedicated to creating a supportive community where every individual feels valued and connected. Masisizane Service Centre. Together, let us help each other.